Good night. So, bago tayo matulog, syempre, kumustahin ko muna. Kumusta ang araw nyo? Ay, shoot. Yung hickory duck natin. Can't help myself, I fall in love with you. So, tapos na akong nag-cleanser. Hydrating naman. Easy for you to take me to a sky. Heaven is that moment when I look into your eyes. And oh, I just fall in love again. We have niacinamide. Okay. Niacinamide. Just fall in love again when I do. I can't help myself, I fall in love with you. Can't help myself, I fall in love with you. I-dry lang natin ng onte. And then, i-combine natin siya sa retinol. I'd like to live out all my dreams. And if I could, yes, if I could. Ayan. Then hyaluronic acid. Don't you ever get lonely. Lord, I'm no good, you're away. Come a girl, love you like I love you. Won't you ever just get tired? Seal natin with moisturizer. Don't you ever get lonely. You're a part of me that I can't do without. You're a part of me. The dreams are all about. Yarn. But you can't hold on to something that you never had before. Love waits for the wind. So, meron na naman tayong Q&A. Some random question. Yarn. Island life or city life? City life. Fast or furious? Di ko alam. Is there an item in your home you could not live without? Item. Item. Water. Are you more like your mom or your dad? Physical feature, mama. If you are a beauty queen, what is your advocacy? Ooh. If I am a beauty queen, my advocacy is mental health and women empowerment. What else? What was the last movie you watched? The Notebook. Yeah. Mga 2 hours din yun, guys. Ang ganda, grabe. Highly recommended. The Notebook. Year 2004 ata yun. Do you prefer to travel alone or with others? Kasi naranasan ko nang mag-travel alone eh. Mag-isa lang, di ba? From Philippines to Saudi. Chill lang. Siyempre masaya din with others, di ba? Blank. What is your specialty in cooking food? Spaghetti. Spaghetti, my favorite food. Do you have a garden or farm? Wala. Buti pa si Alice Gu. Living that life is a neat little package I hold in my hand. Where were you born? I was born in the jeepney. At Bitnong's Road. Yun. City or town? City. Beauty or brain? Beauty! Charot. What are your hobbies? Watching movie and singing. Silence or noise? Noise na lang. Nakakabingi kapag masyadong tahimik. Nakakabaliw. Someone you love or someone loves you? Ako someone I love. Yeah. Someone I love. Kasi at least, nagmahal ako yung nag-give, di ba? Tapos yun, kung hindi man niya ako mahalin pabalik, okay lang yun, nasa kanya na yun. At least ako, nagmahal ako. Kesa naman yung someone loves you, pero ako hindi ko siya mahal. Di ba? Sabihin natin, natututunan ng pagmamahal, pero parang unfair naman dun sa side ng isa na someone loves you. Oh. Sa ganun, someone I love na lang. How many people are in your immediate family? 5. Just another fool. Past or present? Of course, we'll go sa present. Dito tayo sa present. Huwag nang balikan ng past. Ang mga past for experiences yun. Beach or mountain? Beach. Rainy or sunny? Sunny. Favorite color? White. Good night.